Hi guys, so I am very excited to start this series of videos. I've joined a lovely group of very crafty Disney adults, and they do a monthly challenge basically where everyone creates Mickey Mouse ears and sends them to someone else. You can either make them or you can buy from a small shop as long as they're not Disney park ears or Loungefly. It combines two of my favorite things, which is crafting and Disney World. So I am so excited to be part of this group. And every month there's a theme. And this month's theme is Out of This World. The monthly swap is hosted by Mary and Tony over at the Sisketears. And I'll list all the other participants down below. I just received my ears in the mail, and these are actually from one of the hosts, Mary. I don't want to show any addresses. Okay, so she put it in this really fun bag, To Infinity and Beyond, Buzz Lightyear. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. She sent, okay, I'm so excited. So you can also include extras in it, so like stickers or card. And she sent me, I'm so excited about this. She sent me a coloring book. It is a paper doll coloring book. That is so me. I love adult coloring books, and this is adorable. Oh my gosh, okay. I think there's 2 pairs of ears in here, so you can send more than 1 pair. All right, so this is the first pair. Oh, and I even like the wrapping paper she chose. It's almost kind of like an astronaut suit. Thought of everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at these. They're beautiful. This is the pattern of Spaceship Earth, and she has this really cute bow, very shiny and shimmery. These are so cool. I love that. The bow kind of reminds me of Spaceship Earth at night when it lights up all different colors. They are so perfect. I love them so much. Wow, okay. That's the first pair. What is this? Oh my gosh. My cats are like running around like crazy. They're so excited. They don't even know what's going on. They're just so excited. So this is so cool. I've only been in this place once. It is the Starlight Cafe. And I just had to look up who this guy was because I don't know much about it. It is Mr. Eclipse from the planet Zork. And he plays the Astro organ. That is so cool. I'm definitely gonna have to go back. I had gone in once and there was a lineup and I just didn't end up eating there. But it's a super popular restaurant that I've heard of in Magic Kingdom. And the back of it is so cool too. Constellations, the moon. That is so nicely done. I love that so much. Mr. Eclipse. It is or was apparently one of the busiest restaurants in the world. And I've heard they have really good burgers, so I'll have to go back. Well, this was a bonus. Okay, I feel super rude because there was a card in there too and I didn't notice till now. I just go straight for the gift. Some cute little stickers in there too. And a card with Minnie Mouse on it. Jolie, welcome to Year of the Ear. I'm so glad to have you for your first month Out of This World. I am sending 2 pairs to start the year. Pair 1 is iconic Spaceship Earth, such a beautiful park icon. And pair 2, he's one of my favorite DJs in Tomorrowland. If you haven't been to see him yet, make sure to stop by Cosmic Rays on your next visit. I've also sent a book my grandmother wrote. Aw, thank you for participating, Mary. Oh, her grandmother wrote that. That is so nice. Wow. Sharon Catton Moore, illustrated by Martha Fulcom. The Adventures of a Doll from the Past. That's so sweet. Oh, and that must be her grandmother there, and I think that's Mary. This is adorable. Wow. That's beautiful. Well, that was an amazing first year of the ear for me. I made a pair of ears and I sent them to Melodie, and she's linked below. So definitely go check those out. They were only the second pair of ears I ever made, and I think I did a lot better than my first time around. And I'm in love with the fabric that I found, so check that out. And everyone else down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a colorful day.